Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here with my, let's see, is it October? It's October, Piles of Paragraphs Tag of the Month. So I just wanted to go ahead and have a little fun with this. I wanted to show you, Lori sent me an altered playing card. It's so cute. Thank you, Lori. It's got a little note on the back, so I can put that in my correspondence journal. And these are the goodies that you get. You get sequins, you get little leaves, you get ribbon, you get lace, you get paper. And I was thinking I was all done with my autumn journals. No, I still have one to go. This is the Autumn Alphabet Kit by Vintage Studio 717. And it's a little bit different colors than usual autumn. But this in particular may go just right. I mean, I think it's just meant to be. So thank you, Lori. And we are just going to get started and figure out what we're going to do here. I have no preconceived plan whatsoever. None. So first of all, let's make it a tag shape. That's always a good place to start. Tag shape and ink and think. That's what we do. So hope everybody's having a great day. I'm going to try and get this video posted. So this will be video number 3 for today. Today's been a busy video day. But I got this in the mail yesterday, and I certainly wanted to get it out there so you guys could go over to Piles of Paragraph on Etsy and get yours. So... I do have some autumn ephemera still in my little bucket from doing all the autumn journals. So maybe there's even something there that we'll incorporate. I don't know. So this time there isn't one of Lori's photographs. That I'm noticing is different, Lori. But all good. We're gonna figure out a fun little, I'm gonna use this. I just think I want it inked too. It's very what do I want to say? Geographical? No. Geometric. Can you tell math was not my subject? Okay. Oh, there's a little vellum leaf. Just all kinds of little thises and that's. I wonder if I can kinda distress the fabric. How about that? Okay. I want to go that way. This little strip is fun. Oh, this piece of ribbon looks like cork, or is corkish, if that's a word. I don't know that it is a word. What do I want to do with that? I definitely would like to use it. I kind of put it there. This is very thin paper. Probably like origami paper, maybe? Something. Okay, so I'm thinking about maybe going right there with that, down to the bottom, to there, to there, to there, here, and then put on a few of those other little things, and maybe a focal point in there. I don't know. we'll see if I have a focal point that will go there. I mean, a person could stamp something on this and put it there. That'll be our last resort. How about? Okay. So this guy needs to be put on. Thought it was kind of fun that this came, and I can just, because I really just discovered today, I'm like, uh-oh, I have one more autumn journal. I was feeling so accomplished that I had gotten all of my autumn done. Nope, sure didn't. Sure have one more left, but I'll get to working on it soon. Okay, so then this, I go right about there with that. Okay, and this, I'm gonna go here. Get it all the way to the top. It's the same size as the tag. Okay, then this little piece, oh, that's kind of fabricy. I think I'm going to use my other glue on that. I think so. Just think it's so cool how Lori puts these together. I would be like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what I should put together. Okay. I am liking that so far. Okay. Pop that right in the middle there. Okay, so now I was thinking about maybe putting the leaves kind of right in here. Like that. Okay, I'm going to go for it. Just going for it here. Such cute little leaves that you found for this, Lori. Oops. Get you on there. I think I'll put the fabric one on the top. Okay. I'm never quite sure what to do with the sequins. I think I've only used them in one tag. I'm just... There, okay. Now, what I would like is a focal point for right there, I think. Let's see. See, I have some of these pieces from a jewel design that might, it's a little small. That's not too bad. The butterfly right there. Let's see if there's anything else that is a good size. mean, we've got pumpkins here, but no. Just kind of digging through. I think I'm going to go with that butterfly. It's got the same color little leaves on it and stuff, so let's give it a bit of a inking. Hear my husband walking up there, and today's his birthday, and my brother called, and Mike was taking a nap, so it's like, I'll just have to have him call you back, because I didn't want to interrupt his nap on his birthday. So, okay. Okay. That's good. And then I'm kind of thinking about maybe putting these sequins like along the bottom or something. It's the same color, I think. Put like 3 of them there. I think so. Just 'cause, right? Tricky. Go over my finger, please. Okay, then I am going to, I think, do these like this on the top. And I'll just use my stapler. Like so. And there we have it. There we have that cute little tag. Okay, one more thing. Silly as this may seem, it's just a little white up here for me, so I'm just gonna give that a little rub. Okay, we did it. There is October tag of the month for Lori at Piles of Paragraphs. You can go on to her Etsy, which will be listed below, and get yourself a kit. So thanks, everybody. Thanks so much for watching, and have a grateful day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.